Okay, so go to replay. Select date. Let's go back. Let's do the 13th, Friday the 13th. How about that? Change this to 9 o'clock. So pretty much I just play the opening of the 15-minute range. So figure out where it's at. Looks like I already had a zone drawn in there. Let's take that out. Zoom in here. So I like to just put a box marking the 15-minute range. So 9:45, and then move this one to 9:30. Right there. Speed this up just to catch up to 9:30. It's a lot easier to play this in a live market just because it's you can kind of see the candles a lot better. But pretty much just wanting to establish a range, 15-minute range, with a high and a low. Looks like the low is down here. I like to mark these 15-minute range, 15-minute range, because I can play it essentially all day for a break above or break below. All right, let's slow this down here. So you're letting the first 15-minute candles play, just whatever they are. Move this up here. Maybe like 1 or 2 more candles. Okay. So you've got your range, and looks like for this day you had to be pretty quick to catch this if it's going to continue to go up, since it did bounce off VWAP in the morning. But okay, so you want a candle close above here to go long. And just because we had this big momentum, I probably wouldn't have taken that right away. Let's change this to a trend line to draw. And like I said, you're pretty much just, you have this 15 opening range. Those were your first candles, and you're kind of seeing what the market is gonna do. So let's speed this up and see if we can get a break either down or below. Okay, so it did break below. Let's change this to select bar. Okay, and then let's see where we want to kind of target. Maybe, so we have this gap down here. Maybe we can go down here for the first TP, and then maybe another one down there. So if it decides to keep going, slow this down. Like I said, you're just looking for a break, so I'm going to sell there just because we kind of know it was already going to go down with our take profit down there. Stop loss can be up here. Already kind of giving back a lot of gains. Usually I'm just looking for a quick 5 points or 10 points. So I mean, that's 20 right there. We've already hit. So solid day. So like I said, you're just looking to the first 15 minutes of market open. You're marking it out. So from 9:30 to 9:45, you're placing these lines just to see, you know, how it is. And like I said, with our range being so far up here, I probably would have waited to take that trade to go long, and good thing we did. Draw a box from 9:30 to 9:45. Like I said, I usually have this done in pre-market as I'm waiting for market to open. So 15-minute range, 15-minute range. Speed this up here. Okay, so I decided to drop right away apparently. Oh, I remember trading this day. This was not a very good day for me, to be honest. So I'm bring our low way down here because I don't think it ever comes back up. Okay, so we had our range. Looks like it was down to here. Pretty much, let's go back on this. Okay, so once it established the range, looks like it tried to bounce up just a little bit, and then if it comes back down, looks like it's going to. maybe not. Okay, so let's go back to this one. So since it broke that, I would take a short right there. Put my stop loss. Again, it kind of just depends on your stop. I'm going to just do above there, so a 30-point stop. Let's go for a 2-to-1 risk reward. Why'd it do that? Okay, well, that number is not right. Not sure why it did that. Again, I don't know why it's stop. Not really any previous past chart history. I did 25 contracts because I think I was moving my stop into here, and so it just auto exit me out. So from there you could probably just put your stop at just about break even. And this is just random place that I put it, but like I said, the trade would have worked the first time I did it. I just didn't. I think I put my stop within that candle still, so it just auto exited me out, which is annoying. 30 almost, so let's draw our box. 945. Let's draw some of these in here. And let this play out. Okay. So market shows violence at open. That's cool. I just like to put these in here just because it's visually it looks good to me. All right, so you got your range. You have a high and then a low. Oh, I did put that there. Okay. So with it breaking right there, I don't know if I would have taken it, even though we have this nice red candle going down, just because it reversed right away. I don't know if I would have taken that in real time. I'm going to slow this down. Select bar. Let's go back to here. So one thing I'm noticing with the trade is, like up here, we kind of danced around the VWAP and then the 21 EMA. Since it came up and almost hit this, I'm probably taking the short with a stop above here. So let's do that. So it's not a bad trade, risking about 15 points. And let's try to let's do a 1-to-2 ratio. See how this plays out. Already in some profits. Most of the time I'm just looking for a quick 10 points. All right, so we hit there.